The ICFA University Meghalaya Admission Open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057 94851 58603 700 505 7728 8794 250646.
Despite facing legal hurdles, 8 prominent pressure groups in Meghalaya have joined forces to intensify their demand for the implementation of the Inner Line Permit (ILP) and the Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act 2016. The groups representing the Khasi, Jaintia and Garo Hills met on the 24th of July 2024 to strategize their resistance against the central and state government's inaction on these issues. The alliance, comprising of the FKJGP, the HNYF, the KSU, JSU, GSU, ADE, AYWO and the FAF, aims to protect the welfare and interests of the indigenous people of Meghalaya. Their resolve comes amidst regular work permit checks and legal summons which have failed to deter their determination to safeguard the local communities.
Kajing ya ther ba kajing ya tai kajing entah kasni kalong ba halor ki jingdawa ki pelasa tem bat ke sarkar pan kamau ka MRC la de ka an na do arjar khandriu kajing mi ina MRC ro de ka tu ko por ba sarkar ong ba ka ILP de ka subject jong ka sarkar India bat lami la kha ba ikne ka MRC bat ka adi ro ka Tihendrai kebasausi kelong bat haduk kene khidmat pemerintah naduk arjakan reul ndai ya kaniru i bidang set sunduk sa khniat sngi liang menteri rangba ong ba MRC la menteri kam ndai kalong ke kebasausi hawangi persang menti binia semoga kata kalong tang kejengkren lambat kilap pathai kubor rega kam sebelah poi kum kalong habo ong menteri kam MRC ong kren sepang kita district task force andai hawangi yo ban keli pertau yakini kisnong bela sa khot meeting di siru semoga dari tangga jeng ya kendu jeng berjumut dari kemdai ma penteri kami ka tihawangi keli pat istestos tu sengi bong ya kendu usi among ke sepangga taka MRC om ngedang eksamen bakadon kita ba la persamaan wara men tu aja arpo kepala syak skrutinasi apa ke sarkar India tihangi wong badang eksamen segi pres wong la penteri kam ti kalong ngimla absutu kanu badai bak kanu balai de lo katak benta bengiyo punya song ni peliu jumut menta nang ni sekmat min asis no mengi ya sarkar yole se kaduna ki terman power jongki ban penteri kam ni kaan ngin penteri kam nyerap penteri kam mengi bat ya kini MRC bat ha kini kis sengi ki kniat bat banwan na kediang jungi kun sang balang per habro oi jala ngila sim ya karai kelomba nyerap terkam debangin khenra bangin cek hakalen bro oi jala nang bangin lap kita ki bering berung bemi bi an spo kan ke jala ka jomi te kasong sa sutu i sarkar sutu marba ka sarkar kele ban kun jakai kini isu te ba sarkar kun jakai ni rap menteri kam mengi jadi ka an kram gununo pejing artatin nginang panreham gina jingi kun jungi ande tang ba ikren sepang gani MRC andrai ipan kan mauru sarkar ya kata resolution baka sarkar klasim halor ka ILP hak kendai terik cobunan upra com ajar kendai imla bantep dak kli menteri ba sarkar jala orang habban ya keren bak sarkar India dawan menteri kampo yang sarkar di jala kan kusin kendu terus kentin keren dak kli biang sarkar jala ka sukut utakitin nak eksamen te nga thrai kena ek semen ngam tep ki lek bak dawai nang nanu ru kata ngim la ban tep menrai na kaliang jungi kisang balang ngin sayara pan pentrikam ngi anja bangi checking keleng jokanika celah berokoi.
Working hard to pressurize the government to implement ILP, but during that time, after a year of pursuing aggressively the goals of achieving ILP, the government of Meghalaya they asked us to give us some alternative to how to tackle the problem of influx in Meghalaya instead of pursuing ILP. At that time, we thought the government was sincere, and the 13 NGOs drafted the act, which is now known as the MRSSA. But now the government is hiding behind the one excuse that it has been sent for amendment. But the government is time and again saying that, and now we are feeling that it has been almost 10 years. So now we are feeling that the government is not sincere in its approach to carve out illegal influx. So today we have a meeting here in Shillong Molai in the office of FKGP, and together the 13 NGOs, we from Garo Hills, we are representing 5 NGOs, that is FKGP, GSU, FAF, ADE and AYWO, and we have resolved that no more, we will not keep silent in this issue anymore, and we will start pressurizing the government to implement the MRSSA in letter and spirit. They cannot hide behind the excuse that it is due for amendment, but they should stop the amendment process and they should start implementing the MRSSA. So we will chalk out our course of action, and accordingly we'll organize different kind of agitations to pressurize the government to listen to our pleas. That is, we have to check illegal influx, and for that we need MRSSA. We need to implement MRSSA, and we also will pursue for our demand for ILP. That is all.